welcome. This is AbrahamSayWeb.com, and with part 6 of creating your own Tetris, and today we'll be coloring shapes on stage. For that, let's take a look where we're standing at. If we test a movie, a shape shows on top left hand corner of our stage. If we play the movie again, a different shape shows up. It's random, it's chance. But as you guys can see, every time I play the movie, a shape with the same color, despite the fact is a different shape, shows up, and we all know that in Tetris each shape has a different color. And that's the tutorial for today, coloring the shapes with ActionScript. Let's start the easy way. You guys are familiar with our code. It's an external file, and we create shapes, shape 0, shape 1. Now I don't make things up. I mean, I was not born. I do go to notes, and as you can see here, this is the Adobe website, and it speaks about the color transform, and we can alternate. We can change the color using this method. If you take a look here, you have all the possible properties. And needless to say, it has a model. We have like 8 different variables inside of the parentheses, and it's, by the way, very interesting stuff here. If you guys really want to know about to change colors, that's the address. Now, based on what we saw, that let's put shape _0. That's the name of the reference name of the item we have on stage. Transform, C becomes blue, reserve word dot color, small case C, everything in ActionScript is case sensitive. Transform, capital, transform, capital T, form, C becomes blue, equals new color, transform becomes blue again. By the way, I guess it's capital C in this case. Let's see. Oh yes. And let's put some 8 variables. The first one is the red. If you start from the beginning, you can get some code hinting, like open parentheses. Then I have the code hinting here. Let's put a 0 for the red, and let's put 0 for the green multiplier. Let's put some 0 for the blue multiplier. Now the alpha is going to be 1. It's a solid color. Now let's get the red offset. That's very important for us. Let's put the value 125, and the rest could be 0 to 0 for the green, 0 for the alpha, 0, and we're done. We have 8 numbers. It's 8 numbers. Now we're going to save the file. It's an Excel file, has to be saved, otherwise they'll be retrieving the previous version. And when by the way, let's put time 0 here, so we'll make sure that we don't have to be testing several times until we have the right shape. And we have a colored item on stage, but we lost our effect. We cannot have, we need to have neat shapes for our users. We cannot have this on stage, so we're gonna have to fix that by going inside of this movie clip and changing the items inside of the movie clip, so we can color the shape, make a different color, and not lose the effect. Right, I know it does not sound easy, and I can tell you guys it is not easy, but Abraham is here. Abraham knows, Abraham shows, and I'll tell you how it's done. Let's go back to our shapes. Now, window, library. If you guys have a doubt how I created these shapes, it was all done on the previous tutorials. They are available for free at our website. And by the way, you can export that too as cube, wouldn't hurt. I myself, okay. Now let's go to shape 1, shape 0, which actually is the first shape. It's made out of cubes. Oh yes, it's made out of several cubes, and it has a registration point at the top. The thing is, this could have an instance name. I don't see why, although we have a movie clip and this cube is a movie clip inside of a movie clip, why can't we give a instance name to this? Let's name it cube 0. Cube 0, I guess is fine. Cube 0, and let's press enter. Now this has a instance name. Now cube 0 is made of cube itself, so let's go to cube, and where is that? Let's go to the library, let's go to our cube, let's double click on the cube, and you can see that the cube is also made of several items. Now I want the fill to be a movie clip symbol, and I'm going to give a name to the fill as well. Let's say cube fill with the capital F, and there we have. Now the cube fill also should have a cube fill instance name. That's the only way we can access. Let's say that as a part 6, because things are beginning to become complicated. Alright, okay, let's rename that part 6, and let's go to our file. Now what we're going to do is, instead of transforming the color of the shape, I'm going to transform the color of the base of our movie clip, and therefore changing the color but keeping the effect. Now let's try that now. I know it doesn't sound easy, I know it doesn't sound that simple. If you have doubts, the resources are here. The Adobe site, we have this video as well. That we know that we have our instance names, and we can change the base, the elements that compose our basic shapes. Let's try with shape number 1. And this will be shape underscore 0. Don't forget the shape 0 without the underscore is the class. Shape with the class, with the underscore is not the class but the variable. I created now cube 0 without the underscore is the instance name of one of the elements that compose shape 0, and cube fill with the capital F is the element we want to change the color, and let's put transform becomes blue. We are on the right track. Color transform capital T transform equals a new color transform, and let's put the number here 0, comma 0, comma 0, comma 1, 1.5, 0, 0, 0, and press close parenthesis, and let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. So close parenthesis, end of statement. Don't forget we are working on an external file. You have to save it. Let's part 6, control. Let's go to main scene, control plus movie, and yes, we change the color of that specific cube. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and see you on part 7 of Create Your Own Tetris.